Good morning! It's 10:37 na ng umaga and we're heading out. First, we're going to have breakfast. So, may nakita na kami kagabing breakfast place pero check natin kung kaya. So, let's go. So, we're choosing between this restaurant, Kai Ki restaurant, and the other one, yung Hiwan. So, we chose yung Hiwan restaurant. Pero they are only serving breakfast meals here. Wala nung mga ibang like French toast or what. And wala din egg tart. So maybe we will transfer dun sa kabila later. But we're trying some of their items here. So tingnan natin. So we ordered ham macaroni and cream soup, and then meron siyang set meal. Hindi ko alam kung may chicken pa to. Let's wait na lang kung meron. And then we both order Hong Kong style milk tea. Si Claude is iced. Akin naman hot. So yeah. Mukhang masarap siya. Very concentrated. Everything is like 89 Hong Kong dollars. Breakfast for 2. Okay lang. Soup. Na may ham. And I think my mom makes better macaroni soup. Sarap. Wala siyang sugar. Ay, dumating pa kahit ano yung chicken. Ang hirap talaga ng language barrier. Kinakaintindihan. Kala namin ito lang talaga. Pero ayan, set meal talaga siya. Ayan.
Ang set ito pa.
I set my pork and beans. Ayan, kain ka na. Anong egg tart dito? Katabi lang. So, we have to try. At still hot. Pumapasok. Walang bukas. Sarap. Good? Good. And now we're heading to Donkey. I saw Donkey last night when we were walking around. So, tingnan natin kung anong difference ng Donkey Hong Kong sa Donkey Taiwan. So, Donkey is just right in front of Grand Plaza. Very near Mongkok Station. Less ang tao dito, no? Compared dun sa Taiwan. Sabagay, it's still early. Mag-lunch pa lang. We're here at Quiapo. Napaaga kami. Ano to? Charot lang. Ano to? Ladies Market. Sarado pa siya. Bale, nag-set up pa yung iba. So maybe babalik na kami later. Now we're heading to Sneaker Street. Tingin-tingin lang. This is set up by...
Turn right onto Nelson Street.
Stop over for dessert. Mango mochi. Now we're just walking around. Siguro mag-milk tea kami. Milk tea na naman. Puro calories today. Anyway, mag-aano pa ba tayo dito sa Hong Kong? Hindi kumain. At uminom ng tsaa o kape. Awa ka sa tea. Share tea. The one. Lemon tea. Red tea, lemon tea again, and then here, hay tea. we're back here at T1 restaurant, yung kantinong breakfast place namin. So kasing kasama ko gusto kumain ng roast chicken. And then me, I ordered Vietnamese noodles and then char siu. We also have lemon tea, and then another set of Hong Kong milk tea, iced milk tea. That's it. Late lunch at 3 p.m. Now we're going to Victoria Harbor, 3.1 kilometers away. We're just going to walk para matunaw yung kinain namin. So we will see you there. Medyo madilim. Sana wag naman umulan. Nakaka-alerts. We're done with, saan nga tayo galing, babe? Avenue of Stars and then Victoria Harbor. And we also went inside, may tissue ako sa neck. We also went inside K11 Musea. And now we're looking for coffee, Arabica. It's near, hinahanap namin. Nandun sa kabila. So saan tayo punta? Starbucks daw pala. So, try naman natin ng Starbucks sa Hong Kong. We don't usually go to Starbucks naman sa Naga or sa Manila. So, baka may special offer dito sa Hong Kong na coffee sa Starbucks. So, tingnan na lang natin. Gusto mo dyan sa labas? Itaas mo lang, may malamang. This is technically the view. The view is what we paid for. Yan, maganda naman siya. We're just waiting na gumabi para mapanood namin yung lights. So we got, anong order mo, babe?
Cold brew.
Cold brew. I got Hojicha latte. And then one, what's that? Pistachio cheesecake and chocolate tart. Very sad yung look ng chocolate tart. Pero okay. We're walking again sa Avenue of Stars. Gabi na. Mas maganda ang ilaw. Shanghai. So pretty. Dami pa rin tao. On a Monday night. We're going back to our Airbnb pero nag-dessert stop muna kami yung Mr. Softy Ice Cream. 13 Hong Kong dollars. Sarap naman siya. Napakainit dito ngayon, grabe. Pero mas mainit pa rin sa Pilipinas. Pero mainit talaga. Kaya ayan, palamig muna. Trying to ride the MTR. Sana may ano yun, connection ang itong area namin to Mongkok Station. Wala na. We will check. Yeah, nagtanong-tanong lang. Tapos, ayan. To Mongkok. We made it to Mongkok Station. Uwian na bro. Pagal! So we're already too tired to eat out. Nag-pick out na lang kami ng dinner. We tried KFC. So chicken lang yan and nuggets, and then they also had their what do you call this? So tired na, hindi na nag-work yung brain ko. Egg tart. And then dumaan din kami ng 7-Eleven to buy green tea and water. And then yung wipes and konting snacks like this one. Ayun lang. So that's how we end our day. See you tomorrow. Good night.